Morning. This is Needlehead. I'm Peace Gordon. I don't know if I will ever get anything done. It's gonna rain again. I can hear the thunder. Right now it's still over there towards town. Alright, well, if I do another video, it's because it was a sprinkle. Thought maybe I was gonna get to mow today. Or maybe trim down the hill around the pears or something. Yeah, I just don't think so. So, well, I'm gonna go in the house and goof off on the computer for a little while. Just kind of wait. It's mad over there. Say, rainy days always make you wonder. I was just coming out making sure Kitty had some victuals and heard a tree crash. I'm pointing this way because it looks like, see that fresh yellow? I think another branch broke, and if you look kind of to the left, you can see it looks like there's a branch hanging down. I think that was it. I say that because it doesn't look like any more of that one has come down. So, I don't know. But that's what rainstorm and high winds do. You know, and it's crazy. I don't ever have a tree down, except for the one storm back in October. When the storm hits, it's always after. So, but it's raining. I'm not going up there to check it out now. I will check it out later. Y'all have a good day.